got some Jollibee today. Their gravy is excellent. Did the hamburger steak, which is excellent. Their adobo rice, which is my first time trying the adobo rice, and I don't know if I'm a fan. I'm gonna do some mashed potatoes and skin. That came out way faster than I thought it was going to. A little bit more chicken. Try some of their mac instead of pork, I think. Yum. Is anybody watching Pluribus on Apple TV? That show is bonkers. I'm on episode 3, I think. I'm hooked. Like, what a concept. Whoever thought of that show. That and, like, Severance. They have really good shows on Apple TV. Ooh. I got some of their spaghetti, and as somebody that doesn't like sweet, which is, I guess, strange for me, half Filipino, I don't like sweet spaghetti. And I've tried this once, and I was not a fan. But let's try. It's like more barbecue saucy. A little weenies. That was a lot better than I remember, though.